Air-fried eggplant meatrolls that looks like flour are delicious. Prepare ingredients and marinate meat paste with salt, light soy sauce, ginger powder, and oyster sauce. Then shave eggplant into thin slices. There are more than 1,000 recipes on my YouTube. Follow my channel and see this recipe so you may refer back anytime you like in the future. Look at the nice thin layer. Thin layer is easier to roll up. Middle part of eggplant, please refer my precious recipe on stir-fry eggplant minced meat steamed egg. Spread meat paste on eggplant sliced, then roll up carefully. Repeat the same for remaining eggplant slices. Eggplant has the benefit of reducing the risk of heart disease to helping with blood sugar control and weight loss. Meat paste thickness to adjust per own preference. Air-fried eggplant and delicious eggplant meatrolls are done. This recipe is delicious. Do share it with your family and friends too. Thanks for watching.